Do I look like a man who needs this book? Ban everybody that said yeah. Who just sit? Dude, look at this, this crochet. Not accurate size, though I'm way skinny. Hi, Case. My name is Susanna. I hope you like the plushie I crocheted. I had a lot of fun making it. Me and my family love your streams. I'm sorry the plushie isn't accurate. I don't have enough yarn to make it that big. Yo, is this a... Oh, I thought this was a sausage biscuit, man. Warning, do not eat. I don't need a warning message that tells me to don't eat stuff. And you put miniature hamburgers in here. Thank you. Who is sending these whales? We're about to have problems. If I hear one more splash! Bro! Dookie on me, Granny? Is that a turd falling from... Let's open the last one. Let's see what's in here.